Good everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Bex, educational consultant. Thank you so much for watching my video, sharing my video, and giving my video a thumbs up. So look at the board now. We want to discuss about the area of concentration on chemistry. Area of concentration. For those writing POST UTME, nursing schools and all university, area you will concentrate. Do you understand? So look at the board. Separation techniques. Very important. Know the techniques in separation. We have done this before. Separation furnace, know the one you can separate. They will use example. They will use those examples to ask a question. CV method, distillation method, fractional distillation, fractional crystallization. I have taught those things on my YouTube channel. Very important. And people that low jam, they confirm it. They did very well. Most of them are giving me standard version. You understand? Because I did very well on my YouTube. We are consultants. We know where they set question. That's why I'm telling you to go for productive courses. Go for productive courses that will announce you. I know I'm telling you this thing because of future. I know why. So that had I know used to come at the last. Go for productive course now that you have strength and time. You have strength and time. Most people, they regretted not going for productive courses. They are in abroad. They regret it now. They can't do anything. Some people started school afresh in abroad. How do you study a nurse here? It will be easy for you to start to work in abroad. You study pharmacy, you study business administration, business management. You can work in abroad. You study project management. That's what I'm telling you. Go and study project management. Project management in those schools I listed. There are some schools that are doing it. You can study it online. You can go to those schools in Oka. You can be studying in Oka University, a non-professional or non-productive courses, but you can be doing those things online to help yourself because of future. Because of future. Do you understand? I know I'm telling you that. I know I'm telling you this. So look at the board. Chemical combination is number 2. Very important. Know those chemical bonding. They will ask you a question. They will ask you sodium chloride bond is an example of that. Hydrogen water is an example of that. That's hydrogen bonding. Sodium chloride is ionic bonding. Bond between metal and non-metal. Know them. I have all this thing is already on my YouTube channel. Understand? On my YouTube channel. We talk about gas law. Boy's law, task law, know the formula, those things you use for solve question. They will ask you simple question on it. Know the 26 calculative aspect. I have taught that one. I've given formula on how to solve this thing. I've given some tips. Radioactivity, the same thing, the relationship between half-life and decay constant. That is, know the different relationship between half-life and decay constant. That is, half-life, decay constant equals to 0.693 or something like that over half-life. Do you understand? That's the relationship. It's a must set question. They must ask this question. It's a must. I'm telling you the gospel truth. It's a must. Know this on radioactivity. Everything about radioactivity. Acid, base, and salt. Know the one under acid, the one under base, and salt. Know the examples. All types of salt, know them. Then acid, you know basicity of acid. Do you understand? The number of hydrogen ion that can be replaced by metal. The number. Check it. They can use ethanoic acid. How many basicity? 1. You check it. Do you understand? The number that can be replaced. The number of the hydrogen ion or proton that can be replaced by metal. Know them. They will ask you this question. Periodic trends. What happened? Period and groups. What happened? Check what happened. Is this one increasing? Atomic ladder? Is it increasing based on the group? Is it decreasing based on the group? Know it. Ionic ladder, ionization, it is a negative, boiling point. No, then they will ask you this question, live and direct. So, redox reaction. I've taught that one on my YouTube channel. All these things are already on my YouTube channel. No, redox reaction, very important. Redox reaction and oxidation. What happened? I have taught it on my YouTube channel. Molar mass, and mole. The formula is molar mass equals to mass over mole. They will ask you a question on this. They will give you molar mass of something, or they might not even give you the number of the compound, atomic mass of the compound, then give you mass, ask you to find the mole. So the formula, the formula relating them is molar mass equals to mass over mole. So the formula now is, for this one now, let me do this one for you. So that decay constant equals to 0.6 about 3.9 over half-life. You understand? So when they give you this one, you can substitute and get the answer and get the other one. You understand? So for this one, relationship between these three now is molar mass equals to mass over mole. So anyone they give you, you substitute and get the answer of that one. So another one, they can give you the relationship between this one now. Between volume and mole and this is molar volume equals to volume over mole. Or they can ask you at STP, molar volume is what? 22.4. No, this is very simple. Know them. Also, they can also use this one, CV equals to N. Molar concentration times volume is equals to mole. You understand? Or they can also ask you mass concentration equals to molar mass times molarity. They will give you the molarity. Do you understand? So if this is the mass concentration, molar mass times molarity, do you understand? They can give, just know this formula. That's what they will ask you in the exam. Know water. I have done the hardness of water. Know them. They will ask you when this is added in water, what will happen? I have done the chlorine, all these things. Know them, iodine. Do you understand? Know what when they're added in water purification, what will happen? What is the effect? Air, no air. I have done it. No noble gases. Do you understand? Know their functions. They will ask you those questions in POST UTME. Later of chemical reaction, what happened? I have taught it already on my YouTube channel. Chemical equilibrium on my YouTube channel. Temperature, concentration, and pressure on this YouTube channel. Already I've done it. Organic chemistry. Not all of them used to ask organic chemistry. It's only for those going for Ibadan, all this big school. All these small school, just not small school, they are big school. They are not setting hard question. They want you to pass. You understand? They are not small, they are big schools. Just that Ibadan, UNN, all the school, when they are setting like UNN now, you will prepare very well. You understand? You know what I'm telling you? But all these other states, Imo State, Uniport, Unidare, Delta State, blah blah blah, all those like Uniport, Unica, just know these things, know this formula, you do well. Most especially lead your jump pass question. Lead your what? Jump pass question. Very, very well, you will pass. From 19, when jump started, 1987, something like that to 2000. Stop here. Both English, lead them, you pass. You do well. Thanks for watching.